ZENA stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And when I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. It's all documented. Genuinely speaking, when I'm looking at this, all I wanted to see was just a double break, right? Double break, and I'm finally seeing the first break. And today, even if I see a break above 531, I'm fine to take things further up, right? I'm not getting a rush or anything. I'm very risk averse as well, so we'll see how that will go. Because first video I made here, it was, now we're at $5, right? At the time it was 223, so we like literally doubled since 2 months ago. And there's so many examples exactly like this. You can see even with Zena, I have receipts in the Discord. 5 results. So that's how ZENA is looking like. This is obviously not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned and get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.